Let's cook pork menudo. Menudo is a crowd favorite. We will do this restaurant or hotel style. We will blanch the potatoes and carrots so the color will still remain. First, on a high heat pan, saute pork, then add onions and garlic. Pour soy sauce, simmer a bit, and add tomato sauce. Add a little water, cover and let it simmer until the pork is tender. Then add liver spread. Para sa gumagawa ng Reno liver spread, baka naman pwede gawin nyo ng easy open can. Uso na po ngayon yon. Taste and adjust the seasoning, and there it is, your ultimate pork menudo. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. The best is yet to come.